In this video I will show you how to reset throttle body adaptation. I'm not sure if this really works, but here is the procedure so you can test it yourself, and make sure to leave a comment below if it works. First thing to do, insert key and push engine button on, but don't start the engine. Now step on the throttle pedal all the way down. Now you need to hold it there for 30 to 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, with the throttle still pushed down, you need to push engine button off and then release the throttle. After waiting for 2 minutes, start your car normally and do the test drive and tell me if you noticed any difference.